Wrangles once and for all in a delegate conference expected to be held soon. According to Jubilee Secretary General Raphael Tuju, the conference will also lay bare the party's plan in the 2022 general election. But he insists he will stay put despite calls for his resignation by a section of members of Jubilee Party. And as Musa Salah now reports, the Jubilee ODM coalition talks are in top gear, with the negotiations escalating to be between President Uhuru Kenyatta and ODM boss Raila Odinga.
The ruling Jubilee Party's National Management Committee on Monday met at the party headquarters to plan for the 2022 general election, as well as the National Delegates Conference expected to take place after the committee puts a 21-day notice to the delegates, including President Uhuru Kenyatta. According to the committee, the party is set to make major changes in its leadership. A section of party members have been planning to oust the party Secretary General Raphael Tuju. The convention also comes at a time when the ruling party has been hit with internal wrangles. A section of the members, including members of Parliament Kanini Kega, Sabina Chege, and the party's Vice Chairman David Murathe, have been calling for the overhaul of the Secretariat as part of rejuvenating the ruling party that has since been hit by an exodus of members.
This is a political office. I would be a very, very worried person if nobody expressed dissatisfaction with my work. I would be a very, very worried person if nobody was hitting me every other day, because that would mean that the position of Secretary General is not important. So I think I welcome any criticisms. It comes with the territory, and I'm ready to live with it.
Tuju, however, hinting that the talks between Jubilee and Orange Democratic Movement (ODM) over a possible coalition ahead of the 2022 general election are in the advanced stages, with President Kenyatta and ODM boss Raila Odinga taking charge of the negotiations.
Discussions with the ODM are ongoing. There are discussions which have been done at our level, and there are discussions which are done at the level of the two party leaders. It is beyond my pay grade to divulge to you anything which has come up at the level of the two party leaders.
The National Delegates Conference is also likely to discuss and seal the fate of Deputy President William Ruto as Jubilee Deputy Leader. The Delegates Conference, which will be chaired by President Kenyatta, may vote to remove Ruto as the Deputy Party boss. Ruto on Thursday last week, during his tour of Makueni County, said that he is ready to ditch Jubilee Party for his United Democratic Alliance (UDA) to advance his presidential bid. On Saturday, President Kenyatta, during a brief stopover at Ruiru, Kiambu County, cautioned Kenyans against electing thieves who would water down the gains he and former President Mwai Kibaki have made.
We want to continue to support the president, and we want to make sure that this country can be assured that the next leadership of this country will not be those that Kenyans may have doubt on. We don't want Kenyans to elect thieves to run this country going forward.
The ruling Jubilee Party is in advanced coalition talks with former Prime Minister Raila Odinga's ODM party, with Jubilee expected to unveil its plans for the 2022 general election in 21 days. Musa Salah, TV 47, Nairobi.